The Innocn GA27S1Q might be one of the best value OLED gaming monitors you can buy right now. For around $400 to $450 on sale, you're getting a 27-inch QD-OLED panel, 1440p resolution, and a blazing fast 280Hz refresh rate. Specs that would have cost well over $1,000 just a couple of years ago. But is this monitor actually worth buying? Or is the low price hiding some compromises? Let's find out. The first thing that stands out is the display itself. This is a QD-OLED panel, which means you're getting incredibly deep blacks, vibrant colors, and near infinite contrast that simply outperform traditional IPS and VA monitors. At 27 inches, the 1440p resolution is the sweet spot for both competitive and casual gaming, delivering sharp visuals without demanding the kind of hardware that 4K requires. Then there's the 280Hz refresh rate, paired with an ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time. Whether you're playing Valorant, Call of Duty, or Apex Legends, motion looks incredibly smooth and responsive. Unless you're a professional esports player chasing 500Hz, 280Hz is already more than enough for almost everyone. The design is another highlight. Unlike the sea of black gaming monitors on the market, the Innocn GA27S1Q comes in a clean all-white finish with slim bezels and subtle RGB lighting on the back. If you're building a white gaming setup, this monitor fits perfectly. The stand also deserves credit. It offers height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and even pivot support, while its flat base leaves more room on your desk than the oversized tripod stands found on many gaming monitors. Connectivity is solid too. You get two HDMI 2.1 ports, two DisplayPort 1.4 ports, a headphone jack, and built-in speakers. Having dual display ports is surprisingly rare at this price and makes switching between devices much easier. Now for the downsides. There's no USB-C, no KVM switch, and no power delivery. So this isn't the best choice if you're planning to connect a laptop with a single cable. Like most QD-OLED monitors, you'll also notice raised blacks, or a slight magenta tint if strong light hits the screen, so it performs best in a room where you can control the lighting. Thankfully, those compromises are relatively minor considering the price. If your main goal is gaming, the display quality easily outweighs them. So, should you buy it? If you're looking for a premium OLED gaming experience without paying flagship prices, the Innocn GA27S1Q is incredibly easy to recommend. It delivers beautiful image quality, excellent gaming performance, and a clean design that stands out from the competition. It's one of those rare monitors that genuinely feels more expensive than it is. Before you make your decision, it's time for the honest score. Display quality, 9.8 out of 10. The QD-OLED panel delivers stunning contrast, vibrant colors, and outstanding image quality. Gaming performance, 9.6 out of 10. 280Hz and a 0.03 millisecond response time make it an excellent choice for both competitive and casual gamers. Features, 8.8 out of 10. Great connectivity, but the lack of USB-C and a KVM switch holds it back. Value for money, 9.9 out of 10. At around $400 to $450, it's one of the best value OLED gaming monitors available today. That gives the Innocn GA27S1Q an overall Honest Review Hub score of 9.5 out of 10. If this review helped you make a smarter buying decision, subscribe to Honest Review Hub. Every week, we cut through the marketing and tell you what tech is actually worth your money. No hype, no bias, just honest reviews.